In this video, we are going to unbox and see how these chain kits are. This chain kit belongs to Yamaha FZ 250 cubic centimeters bike. Unboxing this chain kit, it was packed good. It includes rear wheel sprocket, gearbox sprocket, and a chain which is permanently locked. It comes with 6 holes in the rear wheel sprocket, has 46 teeth in rear wheel sprocket, 15 teeth in drive sprocket, and has 136 chain links. This sprocket looks so shiny good to touch and feel. This gearbox sprocket looks somewhat different as it has a step and fitting groove for 250 cubic centimeters. This is the chain which is locked. For this, the chain must be fitted by removing the chassis of the bike. This chain comes with pre-applied grease in it for good lubrication. Measuring the thickness of both the sprocket. The thickness are 7.43 millimeters. The thickness of the gearbox sprocket is 7.17 millimeters. To order your product, you can visit 2Wheelerspares.com.